Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm going to make Semiya bites. You will need 400 grams roasted vermicelli crushed into pieces, nuts powder, then 400 grams condensed milk, 100 grams butter. Turn on the fire and keep the pan on medium heat. Add butter and melt. Then add vermicelli and cook for 3-4 minutes on medium flame. Cook until soft and brown in color. Add nuts powder and mix it. Add condensed milk and mix all together. Cook for about 2 minutes. Mix well, don't overcook. Turn off the fire and transfer the mixture into a bowl. And let it cool. Take small mounds or shape as you like and grease it. Add little mixture and press it and turn them out. Then you will get a nice shape like this. Make desired shape as you like. Semiya bites is ready. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.